This is Dheepan Ramalingam, Managing Director of RINGFEDER Power Transmission India Private Limited. We are a 100% subsidiary of RINGFEDER Germany, a 100-year-old company and inventor of locking devices and friction springs. To know more about the product, you can get into our website. But the main reason for my brief talk here is why we are present in Coimbatore today. We are taking part in VDMA's German Technology Day, and we are representing our products and applications to this one of the major industrial city in India. And we are looking forward to meet different industries where we are present in. For example, machine tools, pumps, textile industry, defense. These are all the sectors which are important for us from this city. And apart from this, we are into many other segments, and we cater to different segments pan India. And the other main reason for to be here is to network among the industrialists and to keep sharing information about the latest technologies. So this was the main reason for us to be here. And apart from that, how German engineering is helping in India, it's I would say that good things are happening at same time. So this is what we can call it as, because India is poised to become a 5 trillion economy soon, and then the manufacturing is the backbone for this. And now many European countries, especially Germany, is looking more into India as a manufacturing location for their global needs. So this is going to be true in the coming years, that India will be the global manufacturing hub, and with all the pioneers of technologies from Europe and mainly from Germany, this will help India to become the manufacturing hub in the coming years.